there's also some really random pop music playing as well. Doesn't fit with the ride. Oh, look at that, perfect view of the park. I bet they're chilly over there. The view of the mountains there in the park. Alright, arms and legs out, let's do it. Nope. Oh, still going up. There we go, now we're at the top. Hey! Oh yeah. Oh wow. That was intense.